When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency in Rockford, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is replacing your windows. Over time, old windows can become inefficient, allowing heat to escape in the winter and warm air to enter during the summer. This puts a strain on your heating and cooling systems, leading to higher energy bills and a less comfortable living environment. By replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient options, you can significantly reduce your energy consumption and lower your monthly utility costs. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement in Rockford can enhance your home's energy efficiency, saving you money and improving comfort. Eliminating air leaks and drafts. One of the most common issues with old windows is air leakage. Over time, window seals can deteriorate, creating gaps that allow air to flow in and out of your home. These drafts make it harder to regulate the temperature inside, causing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable environment. Better seals. When you replace your windows, you can choose energy-efficient models that come with advanced seals and gaskets, which prevent drafts. This means that the air inside your home will stay where it belongs, and your heating and cooling systems won't have to work as hard to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Improved insulation. New energy-efficient windows are designed with high-quality insulation materials that help keep the desired temperature inside your home. Whether it's winter or summer, properly sealed windows help eliminate temperature fluctuations and keep your home comfortable. Energy-efficient glass technology. Modern windows are equipped with advanced glass technology that helps regulate the temperature inside your home. Double-glazed or triple-glazed windows have multiple layers of glass with an insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between the panes. This design significantly reduces heat transfer, making your windows more energy efficient. Low-E glass coating. Many energy-efficient windows feature low-E, low emissivity, glass coatings, which reflect heat back into your home during the winter and block solar heat during the summer. This helps to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without overworking your HVAC system. Reduced heat transfer. Traditional single-pane windows are poor insulators, allowing heat to escape during the colder months and letting unwanted heat in during the warmer months. Upgrading to double-pane or triple-pane windows dramatically reduces the amount of heat transferred through the glass, enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Improved temperature regulation. The ultimate goal of upgrading your windows is to create a more comfortable living space. In Rockford, where the weather can vary dramatically between seasons, having windows that offer better thermal insulation can make a huge difference in your home's comfort level year-round. Reduced hot and cold spots. If your home has old, inefficient windows, you may notice certain rooms feel much hotter or colder than others. New energy-efficient windows help create a more balanced and consistent indoor temperature by preventing drafts and minimizing heat loss. This results in a more comfortable and stable indoor climate. Better climate control. With energy-efficient windows, your heating and cooling systems won't have to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. This can help you save on energy bills and extend the lifespan of your HVAC system by reducing wear and tear. Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate and tangible benefits of window replacement is the reduction in energy bills. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home's temperature stable, preventing your HVAC system from running constantly. As a result, you'll see a noticeable decrease in your monthly heating and cooling costs. Long-term savings. While the initial cost of window replacement may seem like a significant investment, the savings on energy bills over time more than make up for it. In fact, studies show that replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can save homeowners up to $500 or more per year on utility costs, depending on the size of the home and the climate. Return on investment. Energy-efficient windows offer a high return on investment (ROI). As they lower your energy bills, they help pay for themselves over time. Additionally, new windows can increase the resale value of your home, making them a smart investment if you plan to sell in the future. Environmental impact. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows not only benefits your wallet but also has a positive impact on the environment. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you are lowering your carbon footprint and helping to conserve natural resources. Reduced energy use. As energy-efficient windows reduce the need for heating and cooling, they help decrease the overall energy demand. This, in turn, reduces the amount of fossil fuels burned to generate electricity, leading to a lower environmental impact. Supporting sustainability. Many manufacturers of energy-efficient windows use eco-friendly materials and processes in their production. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you are supporting companies that prioritize sustainability and contribute to a greener, more environmentally conscious future. Increased home value. In addition to energy savings, window replacement can increase the value of your home, making it more appealing to potential buyers. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to homebuyers, as they provide long-term savings and a more comfortable living environment. Attractive to buyers. Homes with energy-efficient windows are in high demand because buyers recognize the cost-saving potential and improved comfort. Replacing your windows can make your home more marketable and increase its resale value. Future-proofing your home. As energy costs rise, future buyers will be looking for homes with energy-efficient features. By upgrading your windows now, you're future-proofing your home and ensuring that it stays competitive in the real estate market. Conclusion. Replacing your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency in Rockford. By eliminating drafts, enhancing insulation, and utilizing energy-efficient glass technology, new windows can help you maintain a comfortable indoor environment while saving money on energy bills. In addition to improving comfort and lowering utility costs, window replacement can also increase the value of your home and reduce your environmental impact. If you're looking to enhance your home's energy efficiency and make a smart, long-term investment, window replacement is an excellent solution.